Hello friends, welcome back and get ready to experience the future of dining at Cat Tech Bar and Craft Kitchen in Noida. CAT stands for Control Alt Delete, symbolizing a reboot in the dining experience. This innovative restaurant is a perfect blend of technology, entertainment and gastronomy. As you step in, you will be transported to a world of modernity and futurism with neon lights, digital art displays, and holographic installation that will leave you mesmerized. This place is in BPTP, capital city of Noida at Sector 94. This place is open from 12 pm to 1 am and reservations are required. In this video, we will take you on a tour of this futuristic restaurant showcasing its ambience, menu and games. We will also share our experience of dining here and give you an idea of what to expect. So if you are looking for a unique dining experience that's fun, interactive and delicious, Cat Tech Bar and Craft Kitchen is the place to be. Watch till the end to know more. I visited Cat Tech Bar recently and honestly it's one of the coolest concept based places I have been to lately. Their tech themed interiors, mechanical gears, quirky lighting and digital menus make it feel like you are dining in the future. This place has high-tech menu display on tables from where you can order your food. From molecular gastronomy appetizers to signature cocktails with a futuristic twist, every detail was curated to enhance the overall experience. From the menu that reads like poetry to the cocktails that are pure artistry, Cat Bar is a gastronomic adventure like no other. This bar is a culinary sanctuary where flavors dance on your palate, creating a symphony of taste that lingers long after your visit. The drinks menu was equally impressive, featuring a variety of craft cocktails, each meticulously crafted and garnished to reflect the night's theme. Their cocktail menu is diverse, showcasing innovative techniques and flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Whether you are in the mood for something spicy, savory or sweet, they will get you covered. And while you wait for your food to arrive, you can indulge in some friendly competition with games like Ludo, chess, tic-tac-toe, etc., all integrated into the high-tech menu display on your table. It's a fun and interactive way to enjoy your meal with friends and family. For those seeking not just a meal but a culinary journey, Cat Bar is a destination that promises to enchant and excite. This place levies 10% service charge along with government taxes as applicable. But the experience doesn't stop at food alone. The service at Cat Tech Bar and Craft Kitchen is top notch. The staff is friendly, attentive and knowledgeable, ensuring that every guest feels valued and cared for. They are always happy to answer questions about the menu, make recommendations and ensure that your dining experience is nothing short of exceptional. This place apart is their amazing food. From their signature dishes to their chef specials, every meal is a culinary masterpiece. We first tried their chef special signature dishes as starters. We ordered various of their signature dishes like peri peri chicken pizza, their chicken dim sums and veg pita breads. The food is flavorful, well plated and surprisingly diverse. Their mocktails and cocktails are super creative and Instagram worthy. We also tried their chicken biryani, a classic dish done to perfection with aromatic spices and tender chicken. We also ordered Amritsari chicken, a signature dish that's sure to tantalize your taste buds with its rich flavors and spices. In vegetarian option, we tried their unique and delicious chef special water chestnut curry, which is sure to impress, served with Malabar pranthas and garlic naan. The ambience of this place also strikes a perfect balance between cozy and upscale, making it ideal for casual outings or special celebrations. And if you are a dessert lover, you are in for a treat. Their desserts are creative, decadent, and Instagram worthy. We ordered Katafi Mille Fule, which was a kunafa, a Middle Eastern classic with crispy phyllo pastry, creamy cheese and sweet syrup. We also tried their double chocolate pastry, which was a rich and indulgent treat with layers of chocolate cake and creamy chocolate frosting. Overall, it was a memorable night, perfectly blending with technology, entertainment, and gastronomy to create an unforgettable celebration. Whether you are out with friends or on a fun date night, this place won't disappoint. It's a must-visit spot for food lovers in Noida. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.